Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that iron fist token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Iron Fist emerges as a cryptocurrency project that places a high emphasis on privacy and security for its users. It leverages zero knowledge proofs and encryption to ensure transactions are both private and secure. This approach aims to create a platform that is resistant to censorship and robust enough for daily crypto transactions. At its core, Iron Fist is a decentralized project based on proof of work (POW) principles. It is designed to be censorship resistant and accessible to the public, offering strong privacy guarantees for every transaction conducted on its blockchain. This focus on privacy is akin to the role SSL TLS layers plays in the 1990s, which were crucial in enabling e-commerce and benefiting various industries. The project posits that privacy is essential not only for protecting users but also for expanding cryptocurrency usage. Iron Fist project institution rating is 3.6. Iron Fist token total supply is around 67.68 million and circulating supply is also 67.68 million iron token. Iron token is listed on gate.io, MEXC, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.